Yeah,
So
so hi
अभी
guys,
जैसे
recording has been started, so now we can discuss. Yes, proceed.
okay. So like we were discussing about the objective
Mhm.
as conversion or engagement, we need to finalize on that because strategies which we are planning are giving discount during non-melas to
Mhm.
all the users of Swiggy, right?
Mhm.
One is that, and then the special discount for bulk orders. So for
Correct.
that, we need to select our target group. Like I was little confused to select the target audience as all the users of Swiggy, or is there any option to specially focus on customers more likely to give bulk orders? So I was little confused. Can you all just suggest something on that?
I guess we need to check it on that because we'll be targeting mostly the professionals who are working and at the like college people.
And I one more point to be added, noted like during the non-meal hours, which is usually 4 p.m. onwards, and where the party orders are taken. So during that time, parties like kitty party and all, where the ladies come. So that time we can target the ladies as well there.
Exactly right.
Yeah,
For bulk orders,
for
yes.
bulk orders, yes.
ठीक है. चलेगा. Also, I have one more point that we can keep the delivery charges low during non-meal hours. That could also be a good thing to do to increase the sales. What's it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Because nowadays we must have seen that the delivery charges are very high.
But I don't think
Yes.
that will work because at the end we are giving the extra discount as well. We are going the like
No,
offers
my
and we are
point,
also decreasing the
okay.
delivery charge.
No, as the it is a new service, so for, as a promotional call, we can put the charges low, as she was telling, Roma was telling. Then with time, we can increase or decrease according to the new requirement of the customers and all.
Like
Like,
because you're saying something, Damayanti?
yeah, because first we need to see how is the response of the customer, because this is a new service. So first we need to check the awareness and how the is the response of. Then we can decide accordingly whether we should keep the delivery charges low or we should increase the delivery charges. So at first, as a promotional call, we can keep the charges low.
Yeah. Like initially, I remember when Swiggy or Zomato started their service. So I think there was no delivery charge in
Mhm.
very start. First, they tried to retain the